Hi guys, in this video we are going to discuss about how to perform multiplication on two arrays using Python NumPy. See here there are so many methods in order to perform a multiplication on two matrix or two arrays. Basically in C programming or Java we will try to write a logic using two for loops and keep on iterating the value and multiplicating those values at each step and performing addition. So we are not going to do all that mess at here in NumPy. Here NumPy is having three methods in order to perform an multiplication or product between two matrix or an arrays. See here multiplication of two matrix is also known as vectorization, and here in order to create an array I am going to use array method, and here I am going to take an array called 1 comma 2 comma 3 4 comma 5 comma 6 7 comma 8 comma 9 of order 3 by 3, and I am going to take an array b called 1 comma 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 5 comma 6 and 7 comma 8 comma 9. Here I took both matrices or arrays as an identical one of order 3 by 3. Both are having same sizes, and if you want to perform multiplication on those two arrays, you are having three methods. One is multiply and matmul, matmul, that is one method, and dot, that is also another method. Here dot product, all members have listened a word called dot product. That is what here we did, I mean that NumPy will do. And in order to multiply and in order to perform a multiplication between these two arrays or matrix, here we are going to use simply multiply method, and this method accepts two parameters, that is multiplicand and that second one I don't know what we call it. And here we are going to see about, the result will be get stored into the variable called C. And here this is the multiplication of A and B. In order to know whether this all series, the instructions have been executed perfectly or not. And here I am going to run this file. See here, this is what we got after multiplying these two arrays or matrices. And here if we gave any matrix as an different order when different from or odd from the first order or first matrix, it will use the broadcasting technique in order to convert that matrix into the second matrix or the first matrix. All members know what is meant for broadcasting, and here broadcasting means the array will be flattened into the or converted into the first or the required array form. And here let me show this, and I am going to clear this all the thing, and I will just keep this 1 comma 2 comma 3. In order to perform a matrix multiplication, you need the rows of the first matrix is same as the columns of the second matrix, but here it is not. The array will be broadcasted, this 1 2 3, these three elements are replicated in order to obtain the in order to convert the array B into array A. And let me show you how that will be happen right now. Python 3 and .py, and this that is the result that we got, that is the same as the above. You can see that you can say that the matrix, the columns and the rows are equal in this case. But if you see that if they are equal, then you need to get the different result than from the first. But the second result is also same as the first. result. So here the broadcasting technique will be applied. And here if you want to know about more functions, let me show you. You can use matmul function also. Matmul function also. Okay, let me show you. And here by using matmul function also we can see we can use this, but here the result is different. Because while doing multiplication, here this in multiply function the array will be broadcasted, while we are using the matmul function the array won't be broadcasted, and the manual method will be obtained as the result. And if you want to know about this, you can visit to Study Tonight website in order to know about these methods perfectly. See, this dot function also won't use array broadcasting. It also gives the same thing that we got from the matmul function. And this is what all I got for this video. I hope you like watching this video. Please do like and subscribe, and follow our Instagram page in order to get more updates on our videos. Have a great day.